Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add available substitutes in emails on System.io. So first, log in and go to the email tab, create a new campaign or open one you have already made in the email editor. Write your subject line and body normally. When you want to add a substitute, type a tag. For example, to greet someone by their first name, type two curly brackets, contact.first_name. Then close the brackets. When an email is sent, that tag will automatically show the subscriber's actual first name. You can also use tags like contact email or contact.last_name to personalize even more. These tags can be placed inside subject lines or in the body of the message. Using them makes your email feel custom, which helps increase both open rates and engagement. If a detail is missing for a contact, System.io would just leave that part blank, so your email still looks fine. Once your tags are in place, save your email and send yourself a test to confirm everything works before you launch the campaign. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.